Hey guys, Ryan here again from Cryptoverse, and in this third video let me show you how to add liquidity and start using that liquidity LP tokens to earn more AcknoLedger. So let's get started. Right, now we already have step-by-step instructions on how to add liquidity. You will need your AcknoLedger tokens and you will need BUSD. So you have step-by-step instructions, and there's also the link. What I will do is I will illustrate how to add liquidity and stake your tokens, but it's all over here. So I've copied this link, again step 1. Now I will open my token pocket. I have my AcknoLedger coins and I also have my BUSD over here. I'll click on discover at the bottom, and in the search field at the top I will paste this staking link. Now you want to connect your AcknoLedger, this site, to token pocket, so click on connect wallet, and I've connected it. Now I will click on add ACK BUSD liquidity. Here you can see the reward program. The total value locked is 177,376 LP tokens, and the annual yield percentage is 339%. Now this rewards program is till the end of November. If the developers decide to extend it, they will let us know, so take advantage of this right now. So let's click add ACK BUSD liquidity. Remember, I'm accessing this through my token pocket, and here we go. Now it will show up my balance is loading for ACK and my balance for BUSD is also loading. Now this may take some time to load, but just be patient. It may take 2 or even 3 minutes. It all depends. So I'll just pause my video until this loads. Alright, so you see my ACK tokens and my BUSD are showing up here. It took 3 minutes. Right, now against ACK I am going to add all of it. So let's click on maximum. So you see we have 152 ACK. I need 200 BUSD. I will click on enable ACK and I will confirm the payment. And again you can see I am paying a gas fee in the form of BNB. Always remember, you need BNB as your gas fee. Confirm payment, and you can see liquidity is being added. Now I'll click on supply and I'll hit confirm supply. You can see ACK deposited and the BUSD deposited. And I'll click continue to send this transaction. Once again I'll pay by gas fee, and you can see the transaction is submitted. I'll click on close and transaction receipt over there. I've come back to my token pockets homepage. You can see the ACK and BUSD is deducted. It's added to the liquidity pool. Now I'll have my LP tokens which I will stake so I can keep earning ACK. Let's have a look at that. Now the next step, let's go back to the AcknoLedger site. I'll click on discover. I'll click on the search field and select the same link from the history record section of LP staking. My wallet is connected. Now at the bottom I will click on approve. You can see I have 152 LP tokens. I'll click approve. Now I'll click confirm payment. You can see a gas fee again, and it's getting approved. Now I'll click connect wallet. I'll click on maximum. There we go. Now I'll click stake. We have a gas fee once again. Confirm payment. and here at the bottom you'll see your ACK getting accumulated. What I would recommend is, don't withdraw your rewards every day. Accumulate your rewards, because every time you unstake you will pay a gas fee. Accumulate all the ACK and then withdraw it by clicking the unstake button. That's how it's done. Alright, please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like such video tutorials. So it's 24 hours since I staked my AcknoLedger token, and if I scroll down you see I staked 152 ACK and I've already earned 1.32 ACK, which means in the next 3 weeks, as per today's rate, I should earn an additional 27 AcknoLedger tokens. Not bad for staking 152 ACK. Alright, now I like this project because I will compare this to Google. What Google did to the internet is sorted out all the information where you could compare things. AcknoLedger aims to be the Google of the metaverse. It will help you sort out NFTs across the different metaverses. So it's a great project, started in India, and it has a great team. I recommend you buy ACK and stake it as well. And if you hold it even for 1 year, my gosh, you will get tremendous results. But like always, do your own research. Remember, the profit is yours, so is your loss. But if you hold these good tokens for a year, you're in for a great, superb surprise. Alright.